Hello everyone, Mike here with the watch list video for Monday, November 4th. As you guys know, it's no secret I have not loved the action this week. You see SPY gapped up on Friday, kind of rallied, took out Thursday's high maybe, or got right up to it, whatever, and came right back down and closed about where it opened. Just wasn't great action. There were a couple really nice calls though. Sahil gave, man, I can't type this morning, MAXN. By the way, for those that don't know, clocks rolled back this weekend, so you have to adjust your alarm clock. MAXN, Sahil gave it just at 10:25 was his idea. Triggered. Let's see what the high of this candle was. Yeah, so triggered right about there, and went all the way to 1266. That's a pretty nice percentage move without ever being underwater. Really nice post by Sahil. And early on over the mic, I gave the idea on Snap, just over the early high here. This is the opening candle. Early high was 1226. I said basically back over 25 or 26, and it went to 1293. And the daily will show you the reason for it, right? You had the big pop, then the quiet inside day, so third day play. That also was a nice mover, but there was not a lot going on for the most part all day Friday. All right, let me slide this over for new members. Please pause the video and read it. Great explanation of what we're all about. And I'm going to jump right into the stocks I'm going to be watching for hopefully a day trade setup on Monday, right? NRGV is holding up really well. Snap again holding up really well after that pop last week. JKS back up near this high. You know, it's worked its way back up over that level. I mean, I'd like to see a rest day or two, like maybe a little cup and handle for him, but over this area is certainly interesting. Mobileye, MBLY, nice gap up on Thursday on news, right? And then sold off, and then Friday right back up to Thursday's high. Strong stock we want to watch. CDXC, also a big move. We're going to watch that one all week. For setups, same with VIR. PLBY, if you're like me, you just want to make money on Playboy. I don't know, memories from my childhood, right? My dad had them. I remember just reading the articles every chance I got. So I kind of want to make money on this one. So you had the big pop on Thursday, inside day on Friday. We're going to watch that one. IONQ. Really, really strong move, and now has pulled back to the area that we like between the 8 and the 20 day. Put that on bounce watch. SMR goes on bounce watch, one of the small nuclear modular reactors, whatever those are called. That's been a hot space. We got 3 red days down into that buy zone we like. I feel like I skipped OKLO. Same space, same setup. And then DJT. The election approacheth on Tuesday, and it's had quite the sell-off. And first of all, it had quite the run-up, right, into the election, and now quite the sell-off. But it doesn't really matter to me what stock this is. In other words, what company or what it does. You had a huge run-up, and then 4 days straight down. I'd be watching this no matter what the stock was, right, for just a snapback bounce on Monday. Again, you guys know me. I would love a gap down bounce play setup. Maybe we get one. We'll see. PHUN tends to run with DJT, so I'm throwing that right in the same space. Tesla had the big earnings pop, and now we've got 5 days in a row, 5 red days in a row on declining volume. Good potential for a bounce. SMCI, everyone's talking about, hey, this could get delisted, and it could. I have no idea. But a lot of times you can get a nice bounce play on something that's this beaten up over 3 sessions. And the delisting worries you could argue are part of why this is so low right now. And any kind of decent headline, you could get a pretty nice trade in this one. So as a day trade, I wouldn't hold it overnight, but I don't even hold my wife overnight. You guys know that. LTBR also kind of lumped in with that nuclear space, the trio, right? OKLO, SMR, and NNE, which I don't even have on watch because I don't like the chart as much. But anyway, that one could give a snapback bounce, kind of an ugly day on Friday. And then IBRX has just kind of slowly meandered back down to the 8 day, put in Green Day on Friday, so we'll look for maybe that one to catch a bid. All right, that's it. I'll see you guys in pre-market. Hopefully some of you show up and help me build a gap playlist as well. Have a great rest of your weekend. We'll see you on Monday.